Okay, guys, thank you very much for being with me today. So, today we are going to start with something new, something much more exciting. So, what we are going to do is I'm going to help you get free internet access. This free internet can be used to download YouTube videos, movies, and all. You can mention it yourself. So, without being late, without wasting time, let's dive in. Let's start the video. Okay, guys, as we are not wasting time, let's start with the video. Let's dive in. So, if you are using Android, go to Play Store, open your Play Store. As we go to Play Store, you search it on top HTTP custom. Okay, HTTP custom VPN. Then you download the app. You see, so install. You see install. Click on the install now. Then you will see the app installing. Okay, so you will see it's 29.25 megabytes. So the app will install. Okay. So guys, without wasting time, I will skip this video. So when the app is done downloading, yours is done downloading, then you continue watching the video. Okay guys, so when the app is done downloading, this is what you will see. Then you go to open. You open the app. Okay, so this is what you will see here. You will see this interface here. So don't do anything. Go back and go to the file I sent to you. You go to the file. Here I'm using a new one to do example for you. So you go to the file. Then as you see the file, click on the file. You see at the bottom it will show you where to open. So you open with the HTTP custom. As you can see, you click on it, and as it opens, you click on connect. So you can see that it's connected. So as you come here, you see that it's connected. The app is connected. So the guys, that's it. After you are done, you see the connected. It will show a key on top of your phone, as you can see mine on top. Yes, it should show a key. That means it's connected. So that's it. Enjoy your free data. Thank you. Okay guys, so that's it. That's how you can get a free internet. It's free internet. You can use it. Okay, so to the iPhone users, those who are using iPhone, yeah, it's the same process. Just that go to your Apple App Store or yes, and download the app. If you download the app, that's it for you. You can do the same. If you are using iPhone, if any problem or any information, you can contact me or WhatsApp me. Then I can answer you. So thank you very much for being with me with this video. Enjoy your free